Imagine waking up in the morning, getting ready for work, and not having to worry about your hair at all. No stress, no rush, no standing in front of the mirror trying to figure something out. Just neat, polished, effortless hair every single day. Now let's be honest. For most working women, hair is not just about beauty. It's about time, energy, and convenience. Because between work deadlines, commuting, family responsibilities, and everything else life throws at you, you don't always have the luxury of spending hours on your hair. And that's exactly why protective braids are not just a style. They're a strategy, a smart, time-saving, confidence-boosting strategy that allows you to look put together, even on your busiest days. In this video we're going deep into 30 of the best protective braid options designed specifically for working women in 2026 and beyond. Not just styles that look good, but styles that actually work for your lifestyle. We're talking about what makes a braid truly low maintenance, how to choose styles that last longer, how to avoid unnecessary tension and damage, and how to maintain that fresh look even weeks after installation. So make sure you stay with me till the end, because the final few options are the easiest to maintain and the most time-saving of all. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about something most people ignore. Not all braids are truly low maintenance. Some look beautiful on day 1, but by week 2, they start looking tired, messy, or even uncomfortable. So, what separates a good protective braid from a great one? Number 1, longevity. If a style can't last at least 2 to 4 weeks while still looking neat, it's not practical for a working woman. Number 2, comfort. If your scalp feels tight, painful, or irritated, that's not protective. That's damaging. And number 3, versatility. A good braid should allow you to switch up your look slightly, whether it's for work, a meeting, or even a casual outing without needing a full restyle. Now, as we go through these options, I want you to start thinking about your lifestyle. Are you someone who barely has time in the morning? Works long hours? Needs to look polished every day? Then your focus should be on styles that require almost zero daily effort. On the other hand, if you like a little flexibility maybe, switching your parting or styling occasionally, then you can go for options that offer a bit more versatility. Now here's something important. The biggest mistake many women make is choosing braids based only on appearance. But what really matters is how the style performs over time, because a style that looks amazing but requires constant fixing is not saving you time, it's costing you more of it. So as we go through this, I'll be guiding you on what to look out for. So you're not just choosing what looks good, but what actually works. Now let's move into the core. Ideas behind the best protective braid choices for working women. One of the most effective approaches is choosing styles that age well. That means even as they grow out, they still look neat and intentional. These are the types of styles that don't expose new growth too quickly and don't lose structure easily. Another key factor is size. Smaller sections tend to last longer, but they can take more time to install. Medium-sized options usually offer the best balance, not too time-consuming, and not too quick to lose neatness. And larger sections? They're faster to install, but may require earlier touch-ups. So if your goal is maximum convenience, always think in terms of balance, not extremes. Now here's a powerful tip most people overlook. The neater the foundation, the longer your style will last. That means clean parting, proper sectioning, and even tension distribution. Because once the foundation is done right, everything else becomes easier. And that's exactly what you want as a working woman, something that continues to look good without constant attention. Now let's talk about maintenance. Because even the best protective braids still need a little care, but the goal is minimal effort with maximum results. For example, keeping your scalp clean without disturbing the style, using lightweight products instead of heavy buildup, and protecting your hair at night to maintain neatness and reduce frizz. These small habits can extend your style by weeks. And that's where the real value comes in. Now let me share something important. If you've ever installed braids and felt like removing them after just a few days, That's a sign the style wasn't suitable for your lifestyle. Because the right protective style should make your life easier, not harder. So always choose based on comfort, durability, and practicality, not just trends. Now, as we continue, I want you to start identifying your personal category. Are you a set it and forget it type? You want something you don't have to think about at all? Or a low effort but flexible type? You want something easy, but still allows slight changes? Knowing this will help you choose the right direction. Now, here's another key insight. Working women often need styles that transition easily from professional environments to casual settings to social events. So the best protective braids are the ones that can adapt without needing a full restyle. That's how you get maximum value from a single installation. Now let's talk about appearance over time, because one of the biggest concerns is, how will this look after 2 or 3 weeks? And the answer depends on structure. Styles that maintain shape, even as they grow out, will always look more polished, while styles that rely heavily on perfect edges or tightness tend to lose their appeal faster. So always prioritize structure over temporary perfection. Now, here's a mid-video reminder. If you found even one idea here helpful so far, then you already know this isn't just about hair. It's about making your daily routine easier, faster, and more efficient. And we're just getting started, because coming up next, we're getting into the easiest, most time-saving options, the ones that require almost zero effort after installation. Now let's go deeper. Another major factor is weight. Heavy braids may look full and dramatic, but over time they can become uncomfortable, especially during long work days. Lighter options are usually more practical. They reduce tension, improve comfort, and are easier to maintain. And when you're wearing a style for weeks, comfort becomes everything. Now let's talk about neatness retention. Some styles hold their neat look longer because of how they're structured. They resist frizz better. They don't unravel easily, and they don't require frequent touch-ups. These are the styles that working women should prioritize, because the goal is consistency, looking put together every day without effort. Now here's another powerful tip. Always think about your morning routine. If your hairstyle requires more than a few minutes to fix or adjust, then it's not truly low maintenance. The best protective braids should allow you to wake up, do minimal adjustment, and step out confidently. That's the level we're aiming for. Now let's talk about durability under real-life conditions. Work days are long. You may sweat, move around, commute, or wear head coverings. So your hairstyle must be able to withstand daily activity without losing its structure. That's what separates everyday styles from working woman styles. Now, as we approach the final section, let's focus on the ultimate goal. Effortless elegance. Not just looking good, but looking consistently good without stress, because that's what truly defines a high-value protective style. Now, here are the key takeaways you should always remember. Choose styles that age well. Prioritize comfort over tightness. Go for balanced sizing. Maintain your scalp lightly, but consistently. And always think about your daily routine. If your hairstyle supports your lifestyle, then you've made the right choice. Now, before you go, I want you to tell me this in the comments. Are you someone who prefers install and forget, or simple but flexible? And which type are you planning to try next? Also, if you want a complete guide that helps you choose the best styles, maintain them properly, and always look polished as a busy woman, check the link in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to Shula's Hairstyles for more practical, elegant, and time-saving beauty ideas. Because here, we don't just focus on looking good, we focus on making life easier. And I'll see you in the next video.